Hi, my name is Vicki and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my July BoxyCharm. This is the base box, and I know I'm a little bit late, but July was kind of busy. So here we are. With the base box, you're able to select, or you receive, rather not select, but you receive 5 full-size products for $25 per month. You're able to choose one item that you know for sure that you'll like in that box. And then there's the premium box, which is, I believe, is 6 full-size products. And now you're able to select 2 or choose 2 that you might, want. And then everything else is selected for you. Again, that's $35 per month. Then last but not least, there's the Luxe. Now the Luxe is a quarterly box. So if you have the base box like I do on certain months, let's see here, March, gotta look at my cheat sheet here, June, September, December, instead of getting a base box, you'll receive the Luxe, and that is $49.99. So let's get into July's box. Hopefully there's some exciting things here that we like. Now the very first item, let me look at my card here before I jump into the items. The theme is fantasy. So here's my little card. Let me zoom in. It's fantasy for the month of July. And let's see, pharmacy. Now I happen to have several pharmacy items now. This is actually the pharmacy whipped greens. It is a let's see, whipped greens oil-free foaming cleanser. And let me actually show you the product out here for you. It's a very nice size, full size. I'm not going to open it yet because I'm not going to be able to use it right now, and I don't want to ruin it. But let's see here. It is, ooh, this is a nice size. This is 5 fluid ounces, so this is going to last for quite some time. And that's whipped greens and oil-free foaming cleanser with moringa and papaya. And let's see what else the card has to say here. Okay, draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. The soap-free pH-balanced formula is infused with purifying moringa, papaya, and green clay to help clean pores and surface residue. Okay, while sodium PCA helps replenish skin hydration. We all need moisture. Okay, so again, this is pharmacy whipped greens oil-free foaming cleanser, and that's $28. Okay, so let's see what else we have in my little box here. This is, oops, I think I have it the wrong way. This is Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Outcrease Retinol Trifecting Serum. It's nice packaging, a little colorful. And then here's the actual serum, normal serum type bottle. Let me see what we have here. Okay, Dermalect Outcrease, okay, targets the looks of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, sun damage. Okay, and let's see here. It's $39 for this serum. So, again, this is Dermalect Cosmeceuticals, and that's a nice serum, and we could all use a good serum. Okay, the next item I have, now this is Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. Nice little packaging, pretty. Nice light blue. Reminds me of summer for sure. But let's see what it says here. I'm actually going to try these. That's the inside. I haven't tried these guys yet. And it has like the little spatula that comes with it. And let's see. Generation Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. Marine algae is a straight form from the sea, a skincare savior, okay? And it has vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. It helps firm, smooth, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Used for a dewier, fresher looking skin, or peepers it says here. And this little guy is $49.99 for the eye patches. Excuse me, my voice is going. And that should be pretty interesting. And next I have make sure this is right, Grand Cosmetics. Now this is a highlighter that we have. What is this thing called? It's pretty golden. It's a nice applicator blush. And this I will be using very soon. I don't know if you can see that or not. But it's very golden, very pretty. Grand Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. Little package, hold it here so you guys can see it. Now let's see what our little card has to say. Grand Cosmetics Plumping Liquid Highlighter, a plumping liquid highlighter infused with rapid skin lifting systems, then uplift to firm, tighten fine lines. This pearlescent formula provides a plumping and moisturizing power to give your skin a radiant, luminescent glow. And that little guy, the highlighter, this is $25. Again, that's Grand Cosmetics. And last but not least, this is Beauty Vault. Bring that in. Beauty Vault. And this is the Erupt Lip Set. So we have is this matte? Yeah, I think it is. Well, it's kind of creamy. This is the color here. I'll put just a wee bit on. Let me swipe some on my hand too. And then it also has a nice little lip liner that goes along with it. I definitely will be using these little puppies. So let's see what it says. Beauty Vault Erupt Lip Set. This lip set includes a liquid matte lipstick and a lip liner to create a full luscious lip look. And that is $18.50. So let's small recap here. Yeah, box empty. Woo. Now, I think I'm definitely going to be using these for sure because I love kind of a red lip. It's one of my favorite. And it has the matching liner, so that's definitely a big plus. I'm definitely going to be using the the eye patches. Can't wait to give them a try. I think those were, I don't have anything like this at all, so I'm really excited to try these guys out. Let's see what else. The highlighter is cute. I actually have a lot of highlighters, but I definitely will give it a shot, try it one day. And Pharmacy, I love Pharmacy. Right now I have, let me see, their oil-free moisturizer, this little fella, and there's something else by them that I have. Oh, the toner. Yes, I have the toner. So I love this line. Every product that I've used for Pharmacy has been absolutely fabulous. So I will get to this. Right now I just have some other cleansers out, but yes, I love Pharmacy. Now this retinol product, I am going to give it a shot, but it'll go in my rotation. Right now I have some other serums that I'm using that I'm pretty happy with. And two, with retinol, you definitely have to be careful. Some folks have really bad reactions to it, so if you use it, you always want to do a patch test. But that pretty much applies to a lot of makeup and, particularly skincare. Do a patch test because, it could be a really great product, but it just doesn't work for you, and, who wants to deal with a breakout? Well, let me tally up my little July base box here. So I have $28, $39. Okay, 28 was the Pharmacy, 39 was the retinol, we have the eye patches for $49.99. The highlighter, the little golden highlighter here. That is, oh, little guy is $25. And then the lip set, the matte lipstick and the lip liner, that came to a total of $163.49. So that's not bad. And you know what I totally forgot to tell you guys? The average values, just kind of looping back, circling back a little bit on the different boxes that BoxyCharm offers on that base box. That's on average about $175. So we're kind of in the neighborhood. $163.49, that's not that far off. They would say the box would be for that, you know, $25 you would spend. On the premium box, the average value is about $215, and then for the luxe, the average value is about $395. So far, everything's been pretty much close to those figures in my boxes that I've been receiving, or some months actually even more. So I'm pretty happy. Next month, which the next box I'll be coming to you with here, I believe it's going to, yeah, I think mine is shipped or is shipping. I received an email. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions or you want to see me demo, you know, want more information on the products, you know, I'd be happy to look it up and post it. But thanks so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate it if you would please share, rate, and subscribe. Again, greatly appreciate it. I'll be reviewing BoxyCharm. My anniversary is coming up in, I think it's November, so it's been almost 1 year. And so far, I've been very happy with them. I was thinking about incorporating some other boxes, but this is enough for right now. Again, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and a wonderful week. Take care. See you soon.